Hi friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Learn AI, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove any objects or element from your image using Remarker AI Magic Eraser. So you can easily create a Remarker AI account by simply head over to Remarker AI and sign in with your Gmail account. Once you're inside, you can click on the Magic Eraser on the left hand side. From here, you can see on the left hand side it's showing you how it's done. Just get your image. You upload image in PNG, JPG, JPEG, WebP, and even BMP file. So let's just go ahead and find an image that we can use. I'm going to just go ahead and choose, for example, this image here. And as you can see, I have the image. Now, let's say I want to remove the American flag from this shoulder right here. I can simply go ahead and just click on it and just remove it. And you will see that it removes it. All I have to do is just simply go ahead and click on remove on the upper right. And as you can see, it removes the image, right? Sometimes you'll find shadows in the image, but this is something that you can just go ahead and use the tools to just kind of remove again and kind of make the color more of what you want. If there's some shadows, you might want to do it again. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.